Hey guys, so quick video on how you can reset your Relion blood pressure monitor. So delete all values stored in memory. The values stored in memory are deleted by user ID. Select your user ID, so you're gonna go to A or B. Then you're gonna press the memory button to turn the monitor on. And when the memory symbol appears, while pressing and holding the button, press the start and stop button for 3 seconds to delete all values in the memory. So here you're gonna select the user ID, then you're gonna have the memory, and here you're gonna appear on the monitor. And while you're gonna press and hold the memory button, you're also gonna press the start and stop button for 3 seconds to delete all the values. And you want to press the start stop button to turn off the monitor off. And this is how you're gonna do it. I hope this video helped you at least a little bit how it works. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.